Hey Seahawks, today is our last day focusing on surface area. Tomorrow we're going to transition to volume. So you have a puzzle in front of you with two different sides. I want you to choose one side to complete, either the astronaut side or the what is cold and comes in cans. I'm going to do one example from each side, and then you can decide which one you'd like to do, and then I'll do a couple reminders for your Canvas completion. For the astronaut side, look at number 2. Remember, the goal of surface area is to find the area of each side and then add it up together. So you can organize it different ways, but figuring out a way for you to get the value of the area of each side and combine it together is the main goal. So this front side that I'm tracing in red is a 13 by 5. Same thing for the back of the box. So I'm just going to use this blank space up here. So we've got a 13 by 5, which is 65, and then another one of those. Okay, the two on the side here in blue and this side as well would both be 5 by 7. So remember, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So 5 by 7, 35. Another 5 by 7, 35. Okay, one more side. That's going to be the top and the bottom, which will be this one right here. Same as the top here. Again, it's going to be a little messy, but you can see what I'm coloring here. So the top and the bottom are a 13 by 7, which will be 91. Okay, so if I combine all of that together, 65, 65, 35, 35, 91, and 91, I would have a total of 382, which you're going to see that answer at the bottom of your puzzle page. Okay, so that's an example from the astronaut side. I'm going to do one from the other side as well, and then have you choose a puzzle to try. Although I love it when some of you do extra and you do both sides. That's awesome. The other side has a couple of boxes like this one, but it also has some pyramids and triangular prisms. So this pyramid number 4 has four different triangles. And if you take a look, remember, base and height of a triangle meet at the corner, the 90 degrees. So remember, a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So that would be 8 times 10 divided by 2, which would be 40. This pyramid's a little bit easier because all 4 of the triangles are the same size. So we basically will need 4 of these. So 40, 40, 40, 40. And then we have a square on the bottom. That's an 8 by 8. So we know that's just going to be length times width, or side times side. So that will be 64. Okay, we're going to combine all of that together. and that will be a total of 224 square inches. Okay, this is your paper practice for today. I'm also going to post this video in Canvas. Let me show you where that's going to be and remind you about a couple of things you might need to work on finishing today. So in your Canvas, in your modules, you're going to see a couple of things that were already published and one new item as well. Okay, so in your Canvas, you're going to see this assignment from last week at Puzzle Surface Area. Also, Surface Area with Pyramids, that was published on Friday. And your new item will be Surface Area Quick Checks, just to make sure that we're ready to move on to volume tomorrow. There's 2 levels of Wisers and 2 levels of Quizzes games. Use your notebook to work out the questions, and I'll also post this video in this module as well if you need to review it again. For your overall agenda, things I need you to work on, if you did not turn in your surface area journal last week, your pink journal, make sure that you finish that and turn it in. Check for missing assignments, of course. These are the 3 things in Canvas that I just mentioned are posted. You also, of course, have iReady lessons. There's a new one on nets and surface area, puzzle choices at my desk and also at the front table. And then extra challenge, there'll be a brain pop on surface area. Okay, work hard. I'm just up the hall in a meeting and might pop in on you to see how you're doing today. So work hard, please.